AI tools are getting powerful in 2026. And the best part is, many of them are completely free. In this video, I'll show you the best free AI tools you must try this year. Ranked from number 5 to number 1 based on usefulness and real productivity. Let's start. At number 5 is Canva AI. This is one of the easiest free AI tools for creating thumbnails, social media posts, presentations, short videos. Even on the free plan, Canva offers AI design tools that can turn text into full designs in seconds. If you create content or work online, Canva AI can save you hours every week. At number 4 is Microsoft Copilot. If you use Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, this AI can help you write emails, summarize documents, create reports, organize tasks. It works like a smart assistant for everyday work and productivity. Many professionals now use Copilot to speed up daily tasks. At number 3 is Perplexity AI. This is like Google, but smarter. It gives you direct answers with sources, so you can research faster, learn new topics, compare tools, get accurate information. If you're a student, creator, or freelancer, this tool is extremely useful. At number 2 is Google Gemini. Gemini is powerful for content ideas, writing, study help, productivity, planning. You can also upload images or files and ask Gemini to analyze them. If you use Google Tools daily, Gemini can become your personal AI assistant. At number 1 is ChatGPT. This is still the most powerful free AI tool you can use in 2026. You can write content, generate ideas, learn skills, plan projects, build scripts, solve problems. Millions of people now use ChatGPT daily to work faster and smarter. If you only choose one free AI tool this year, this should be it. These were the best free AI tools you must try in 2026. AI is growing fast, and people who learn these tools early will stay ahead. If you want more AI tools, future tech, and smart productivity tips, subscribe and become an AI rockstar.